Hello everyone, welcome to my Get Ready With Me. I'll be showing you guys how I do my daily makeup for fall. After I dyed my hair red, I don't know if you can tell, but I had to change my whole makeup theme colors from cool tone to warm tone, so let's get started. Since I'm going to be outside the whole day today, I'm using sunscreen. I found that this sunscreen just works the best. It doesn't make my skin too oily like other sunscreens do. And this product also makes my skin very smooth. I literally just woke up, so my face feels very bloated, and it really looks bloated on the camera too. And in that case, I like to use this roller. This is from Shein, I believe. I just apply my skin makeup and I just go like this, and I feel like it does work. Now I bought this lip plumper. I've tried different lip plumpers before, but this one I think works the best. It does feel weird though, it feels like hot, but I'm just gonna leave this on while I do my makeup. This is the Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer primer, and I feel like this is really similar to the Benefit Professional primer, so it doesn't really matter what you use. I think all blurring primers are kind of similar. Now I'm applying the Luna Long Lasting Tip Concealer. I'm also going to be vlogging today, or I'm going to try. I haven't vlogged in forever, so I feel so awkward whenever I try to. But I haven't been to New York ever since COVID broke out, so I'm really excited to go. I feel like I'm going on vacation or something. For foundation, I am mixing these two foundations. This is the VDL Long Perfecting Last foundation. Now I'm applying the Huda Beauty baking powder. I'm gonna be using the Too Cool for School Art Class Rodin shading. I am going to be doing my eyebrows, and I use the Etude House Drawing Eyebrow Slim in Red Brown. And I've been experimenting with my brows lately. I really like straight eyebrows, but I feel like it doesn't look good on me. So today I'm just gonna do somewhere in between straight and arch. Maybe like a round brow. Next, I'm getting on to the eyeshadow. I'm using the Korinko Shabam Shabam eyeshadow bar. First, I'm using the SP03 shade. I'm just applying that on my lid. And in the palette, it looks kind of like a caramel brown. But once it goes on, it's more like an orange brown. And then I'm just applying the same shade on the lower lash line. Next, I'm applying the SP02 shade on the inner corners and connecting that towards the lash line to the outer corner. And then with the same shade, I'm going to create like a shadow underneath my eyes. And then I'm gonna apply that on the outer lash line. Next, I'm gonna use the SP05 shade, which is like a dark red brown, and I'm just applying that on the inner corners and the outer corners. And I'm just gonna be careful with this color because it is a pretty deep color. I'm applying the same shade to the lower lash line. Now I'm applying the SP06 shade. Look at this glitter. It's so shimmery. I love it. Isn't it so shimmery? I love this so much. I'm using the Clio Prism Air Sparkling in Coral, and I'm just applying this on the lower lash line. Now I'm just applying the Lily by Red gel eyeliner to tightline. Next, I'm gonna apply the MAC Queen waterproof pen eyeliner in deep brown. I'm just gonna apply highlighter first. This is the ColourPop Super Shock highlighter in Eurocatch. Once you apply it on, you don't have to apply a lot, and it's really pigmented. Now I'm going to be curling my lashes, and what I like to do is I just like to warm up the lash curler and make sure it's not too hot to put on my eyes. And it just makes it so much easier to curl, and it curls more nicely. And then I'm just applying the Dr. Mascara Fixer. Then I'm gonna apply the Etude's Curl Fix Mascara in black. And I'm also applying that on the bottom lash line. There's this glitter that I've been using lately, and I love this glitter so much. This is the Code Glow Color L Bling Glitter in Splash Love. I love this. It has super big glitter particles. I just like to apply this with a small brush. There's like small glitters and big glitters in this product, and I just like to take the big glitters and apply it on the lower lash line. I'm applying the Roman Better Than Chic in Fig Chip, and I'm just gonna apply that on the middle. Now for the lips, I'm applying the Moonshot Cream Paint Stain Fit in Chili Chestnut. Just in my hair, it's kind of like a beach wave. That is it for this makeup, and thank you for watching, and keep watching for the vlog clip. Oh.
I'm nervous.
We are back in the hotel. Bought a bag. Yay! How do you open this? Can't really see. You press this and then it opens. I'm doing it with one hand, so. And it has like a chain. Looks like that. I love it. A mask, my brush, my card wallet, cushion, hand cream, pepper spray, and lipsticks.